All right, welcome back to part two of the notes. Now, what is logos? Appeals to logos are arguments based on facts, evidence, and reason. There are two different types here. We have hard evidence or inartistic appeals, which are facts, clues, statistics, testimonies, witnesses. These are things you can directly go back to. There's hard evidence. There's literally something tangible that you can see, right? The second type is reason and common sense, and these are artistic appeals, arguments based on common sense and reason. So this, because this equals this, then this plus this equals this, for example. So providing hard evidence, people tend to prefer arguments based on facts and testimony to those grounded in reason alone. Statement plus proof or claim plus supporting evidence. People tend to prefer them because they're more realistic, right? There's something, again, that you can hold on to. Analyzing text structure. So the power of the Declaration of Independence comes not just from what it says, but also from how Jefferson says it. Jefferson's style is reflected in the structure of the work. The Declaration of Independence can be divided into 4 sections: a preamble or foreword that announces the reasons for the document, a declaration of people's fundamental rights, the presentation of evidence and response to counterarguments, and a conclusion that states the desired action. So we're talking about structure. This is how we would break the Declaration of Independence up. Ooh. Now, we're going to see several counter-arguments, and counter-arguments are claims against the proposal, specifically in this instance, Jefferson's proposal. He takes what people are saying against his proposal and he counters them. So if you're saying, if somebody is disagreeing with him, he's like, well, I could see why you would say this, but blah, 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 blah. Like, he gives a reason why he's still correct. This is what a counter-argument is. Jefferson also uses syntax, the argument of words to express and emphasize ideas. The structure and syntax convey a determined tone and reflect the purpose of his argument. Talking about public documents, what are some general elements? Well, they provide information of public interest or concern. They may include attempts at persuasion using sophisticated language. And they include government documents, speeches, signs, and rules and regulations. Now, what are some language conventions? Parallel structure is one of them. Parallelism or parallel structure is the use of similar grammatical constructions to express ideas that are closely related or equal in importance. Constructions may include phrases, clauses, or sentences, and these are important elements in a writer's syntax. For example, laying its foundation on such principles and organizing its powers in such form. We can see the same grammatical structure in each part of the sentence. That's what parallelism is. You can also have parallelism in different parts of a story. So like if part 1 of the story mirrors part 2, for example, that's still parallelism, but you don't see that very often. All right, here are your vocab words. I want you guys to take some time and try to complete the sentence based on context clues, and we will go over these in the near future. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.